In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about the POCO Pad C1 by comparing its technical specifications to help you decide if it is the right budget tablet for you. When we look at the design and build, there is a clear contrast between its premium aluminum frame and its entry-level hardware. At just 7.4 mm thick and weighing 406 grams, it is highly portable, yet it trades off high-end performance for affordability. The standout feature here is the 9.7-inch IPS LCD display, which interestingly offers a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate despite its modest resolution of 1280 by 2048 pixels. For processing, we are looking at the Snapdragon 6 seconds 4 grams Gen 2 chipset. The trade-off is apparent in the memory options, where you choose between 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM. While user feedback suggests that 8 GB would have been ideal for heavier multitasking, the inclusion of a micro SDXC slot ensures that storage flexibility remains a win for the user. Additionally, the tablet stays modern with Android 16 and HyperOS 3 right out of the box. Other notable specs include a large 7600 mAh battery and a trusty 3.5 mm headphone jack for those who prefer wired audio. Overall, it is a sturdy, splash-resistant option for casual media consumption. If you found this quick review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Do you think 4 GB of RAM is still enough in 2026? Or is it a deal breaker? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.